Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. Woo, woo. Happy day to you. I hope you're doing well. I am doing well. I want to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. I'm glad to have you here today. I'm doing a spring look with Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty. And Mercury is currently in retrograde, which means, if you believe in that stuff, that there's the universe is interfering with communication and mechanical things and relationships. So, you know, they suggest, the people, the powers that be, suggest that you are on guard for problems that could pop up with Mercury being in retrograde. So there that is, your little cosmic warning. So this is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette, and I'm going to create a very pretty look for you today. That's my goal, is to create a pretty look. And there's lots of, ooh, look, you can see down my shirt. We'll see what I can do with this. I'm gonna start with Crash in my crease. Oh, it's so pigmented. It is very pigmented. I did not expect that to be so pigmented. I'll do it on the other side as well. And then I'm just gonna blend this bad boy out. Ruby is right here next to the camera. Hopefully she won't do anything goofy. She just nudged it with her nose. Ruby, what are you doing, girl? Ruby is my youngest orange tabby cat. She's the only orange cat in the house. Everybody else is black and gray. And that's the way we like it. Ruby, you really need to go. Go, honey. Skedaddle. Scooch. There we go. Much better. She's away from the dangerous pile of cosmetics that I have. You know, we wouldn't want a dangerous pile of cosmetics and skincare to just topple over. That would be terrible. That is Spanish for terrible. Let's see. I'm going to blend this up a little more so it matches the other side a little bit better. But that is just a nice base color. Now I'm going to go into, I love going into this lavender, and I think I might do that again. This lavender is called Libra. And it is gorgeous. I'm just going to put that in the crease and on the lower lid. It looks really beautiful with this. And once again, these mattes are just blending out beautifully. They look super cute. And I'm loving that. I'm going to go into Momentum here, and it's a light cream color, kind of a flesh tone. And I'm going to go above Catfight and go above my uppermost color just to blend it in a little better, give it a more natural feel, and then I will blend everything together at the end, of course. So anyway, this is also a video to let you know that I'm having a giveaway. This box is chock full of wonderful things that I'll be giving away, and I'll have the details about the giveaway at the end of the video, and like the secret word you have to use in the comments and stuff like that. The giveaway will end on May 30th. So that's when the winner will be announced. But to learn how to play, you got to stay till the end, or at least fast forward to the end. I can't control what you do, but there's a lot of good stuff in that box. And probably some skincare too. Not like I don't get some of that. Let me blend this out. It's driving me crazy with this blending brush. Just taking that lavender up over Crash. That's looking really pretty smoky and cool. And then I'm going to go for a darker color in the crease, and I'm going to go into Hot Mess. That looks really pretty. That looks great. And then I'm going to take my finger and go into Cosmic, which is this very pale shimmery pink, kind of lavender. Put it on my lower lid. That looks great. I'm just doing this real nice, simple look for funsies today. I'm recording a couple other videos. I just want to have a beautiful, shimmery, soft look for that. So we've got that completely done for my eyeshadow look. The next will be liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And voila, we have mascara and eyeliner together. And I think this look is just nice and soft and pretty. And I'm going to do a beautiful mauve-y look with number 15 Lover from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. This looks cute. I'm going to clean it up a little. And there we go. We have a beautiful look today with the Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty. I hope you have a great day. Oh, you need this final. I almost forgot to tell you what to put in the comments to be qualified to enter for the giveaway. First, you have to say enter me. And then you have to say what your favorite kind of cake is. And if you don't like cake, then just mention a cake. So just any kind of random cake in the comments, and that's it. And then once again, I'll be doing the drawing on May 30th and announcing the winner then. I hope you have a great day. We'll see you real soon.